Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Fabric mods. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, we only need to download 3 things, okay? Assuming you already have Minecraft, of course. Now, 3 things. First up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just find Fabric. Okay, Fabric Minecraft, and then click on the first search result. So we gotta click on download right here. First one, the download universal jar, click on it, save it on your desktop. And the second one, Fabric API, click on it, and then go head over to files. And make sure to download the correct version, of course. And the mod loader would be Fabric. Alright, now the ones from the top is the latest version, so go ahead and download it. Just do take note, okay, of the versions. Make sure that your game version matches all of your mods versions. Now we have 2, Fabric and the API. So lastly, we would need a mod. So since we are here under CurseForge, we can just go ahead over to browse, click on Minecraft. Okay, now go ahead and find your mod. All right, now let's say I'm going to download just enough items right here. So I'm going to click on it. Now let's go ahead and read the descriptions if it needs something. Okay, so all right, so we have everything, and then I'm just going to go ahead over to files right here, and again version, and the mod loader Fabric. I'm going to click on the ones from the top and download it. Wait for it to load, and then just save it on my desktop. Wait for it. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and close the browser. And now we have 3 files. So first up, you would need to double click on Fabric Installer. And then go ahead and select the version again. Click on Install. Wait for it. Hit on OK. Now close this one. Delete the Fabric Installer. Now we only left with 2 things. So what we're going to do is just go ahead over to Minecraft Launcher. Open it up. And then go ahead over to Java Edition, Installations, then Fabric Loader. Right here, click on the folder icon, and then just find the mods folder. Double click on it. Now what you're going to do is just copy all or move it. As you can see here, I already have Fabric API because I've been using the zeros minimap and it's needed as well. So just click on Replace, close this one, Fabric Loader, play, and just wait for it. Okay, I'm going to be showing you that the zeros minimap is working as well as the other mod. So let's hop into a world right here. And as you can see, the minimap is working. And when we go ahead over to our inventory, here we have the other mod. All right. So there are mods that requires you to open up the options or settings menu. Okay, but that's just for some. For example, shaders, you need to go to video settings right here for you to be able to see different types of shaders. Also, resource packs right here. Okay, as you can see here, I have got a ton of resource packs. Also, other things. Okay, if you want to know more about modding Minecraft, of course, you can go ahead and check our video out. We've got a ton of videos for you. That's it for now. That is how you download and install Fabric mods. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.